Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve long-lasting bouncy wavy curls and take this hair from this right here to this which you see here. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get right into it. We're going to start the process by getting the hair completely wet and washing it with shampoo. And shampoo which I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the Tresemme shampoo. It's a clean and replenish shampoo. I'm going to pour the shampoo into that bowl and start to wash the hair in the bowl with the water and shampoo. You can see how dirty this hair is. I'm going to just shake the hair inside of the water and pour out the water and continue the process with clean water and apply the shampoo and start washing the wig inside the water. We're going to keep on washing the hair until the wig is completely clean. It's very important that you ensure that after you wear your wigs for a period of say 30 days, you should wash it, and you need to invest in getting Tresemme shampoo, Tresemme conditioner, or any other products that you love. After washing the wig with the shampoo, I'm trying to rinse it off right now with clean water. This is the first rinse. I'm going to rinse it again until the hair is completely clean. The water coming out is no longer soapy and the water coming out is also clean. You can see right now that the hair is very clean. I'm going to apply this conditioner, and it's also from Tresemme. It's 24 hours volumizing conditioner. Just applying it all over the hair from the closure area down to the tip of the hair. Next, I'm applying this keratin treatment, which is going to help add more moisture to the hair and make the hair more silky and shiny, make the strands healthy. And this castor oil is also going to help me with the enriching the quality of the strands on the hair. Just applying the castor oil all over the hair, and I'm going to let the hair sit with all the treatments for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm brushing through the hair right now to completely detangle it, because right now that the conditioner is on the hair, the strands of the hair is very soft and silky. So now is a good time to brush through it, because I know I'm not going to have any breakages. I know there's no part of the hair that is tangled because the hair is completely detangled. I can see how healthy it looks. I'm going to rinse it off after I've left the products to be on the hair for a few minutes. Then after rinsing off the hair, you can see this is the hair after I left it with the products on it. It doesn't even look like there's anything on it, but there's still a lot of products on it, which is the conditioner, the hair treatment, and the castor oil which I used in treating this hair. So I'm going to rinse off all of that product from the hair, rinse it off completely, and proceed to styling the hair. With achieving long-lasting voluminous curls without heat, I'm going to coil the hair before drying it. What I'm doing right now is rinsing off the hair and just using my hairbrush to completely detangle the hair. And I'm also trying to clear the pattern. That's where the pattern of the wig is. And this wig is a middle part wig. The closure used for this wig is a 2x4 closure. So I'm trying to ensure that the hair is completely tangled. The pattern is well, sleek, and the hair looks nice. So after brushing through the hair, I'm going to squeeze out the water that's still left on the hair, and we're going to proceed to the next stage, which is going to be styling the hair. You can see how healthy and beautiful this hair looks. Really, really nice. Now we're going to start styling the hair, and I'm going to be using this 3-in-1 hair therapy, which is a volumizing mousse. I'm going to apply this styling mousse all over the hair, from the one side of the hair to the other side and the back of the hair. This is what is going to help our curls last longer and also help with ensuring that the curls are voluminous and bouncy. Though even if you decide to coil your hair without using this particular product, you're still going to achieve that curl pattern. But what the styling mousse does for you, it just helps it last longer. Just like when you go to a salon to do washing and setting, there's a setting lotion they usually use. This styling mousse is similar to the setting lotion, and the beauty of the styling mousse is that it's not going to make your hair strong or feel like it's crunchy. Just don't apply so much of it, and make sure that the hair you're using is wet, so you don't require that much of the styling mousse. I'm using the setting rollers for this process. If you have the one that has the clip, please use it, but this is the one I have. I haven't invested in getting a new setting rollers that has the clip. Use whatever it is that you have available. So I cut out the small section of the hair and I start to roll the hair all around the setting rollers, and I take it all the way to the up part, and I use my rubber band to secure the hair all around the setting rollers. I'm going to do this from one side of the hair to the other side of the hair. Take note, this is a very repetitive process. I'm going to do this entire thing until I've completely rolled from one side of the hair to the other side of the hair. So watch me do it. You see how I get to section the hair in really small sections and coil it. So how many of these setting rollers would you need to coil the entire hair? On the average, I advise that you get at least 24 pieces of these setting rollers, which is like 2 dozens. But if you can invest in getting like 3 dozens of it, beautiful. That's going to help you have 40, is it 40? Yeah. No, it's going to be 36. You're going to have 36 pieces of the setting rollers. So let's say you can get 3 dozens of it, or you can get 2 dozen in another size. So that's what you can do, because typically I have a small setting rollers for when I'm trying to achieve like a smaller size curls, and I have bigger setting rollers for when I'm trying to achieve bouncy, more voluminous curls like this one right here. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers, please. It's been a long time coming. I am deserving of 10k subscribers. Please don't just watch my videos. Please also support the channel by subscribing, liking these videos, and sharing it with somebody who would also get value out of it. Thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate your support all through the years. And let me know in the comment section something you learned from my channel. It will really be encouraging for me to want to put out more content, do more research, and share more of my knowledge with you. I would really appreciate your kind comments. So at this point here, you notice that after you've styled one side of the hair, when you get to the other side, it might seem like it's becoming dry. You want to get water and reapply it to the hair. I know we already put our volumizing mousse all over the hair. I know the hair was wet initially, but when you start getting to one side, you notice that that side is sort of dry. So reapply a little bit of water to that side, and you can start coiling that part to your setting rollers, and you just coil the entire hair before you complete the process of coiling the hair. Yes. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with somebody who's also going to get value out of it, and follow me on social media at Linda Izimedolu on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. No. I can't seem to. I don't understand Twitter, man. I just can't. But follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I think I'm more active on those 2 platforms. And head over to my website to purchase my ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. Let's say you want to buy a wig from me, you want to order a custom made wig, you can reach out to me on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair. That's where I custom make wigs for my clients. And hopefully you are my future client. So this is the last strand right here. You can see how I quickly wrap around the hair, and I use my rubber band to secure the hair on the setting rollers. Subsequently, what I'm going to do is take the hair outside to air dry the hair. So after I air dry the hair for about 4 days, I'm going to take out the setting rollers from the hair right now. And you're going to watch and see how I remove the rollers from the hair. You can see that I let the curls go in the backward direction. Like I pull it on the right side of the wig. I pull the curls to go leftwards. Like I pull the curls. Just watch. You can see now. And I use my fingers to wrap the curls backward. And on the other side, I'm going to take it to face. On the right side, I'm going to take it to face the left direction. On the left side, I'm going to take it to face the right direction. This is how I do it. I know various people out there have other ways in which they do theirs, but this is how I do my own. So you're going to watch me take out the entire setting rollers and proceed to styling the closure area, the upper part of the wig, and you're going to see how beautiful, how bouncy and voluminous this hair came out looking. Yeah, so let's take out all the setting rollers. taking off these setting rollers here, I want to show you something. Sometimes when you take out the setting rollers, you might notice that the curls might have scattered. It's not really going in the direction you want. What you can do is use your comb and comb the curls to go in the direction you want, and you can use your fingers to spin it, to turn it in the direction that you want it to go. This is a very easy way you can also maintain this particular curl pattern on your wig. Just use your comb and comb it, and use your fingers to roll the hair to go in a direction that you want it to. Next, we're going to be styling the closure area, and I'm using my hair wax to apply the wax to the hair on the closure area to lay any flyaway hairs and just to make that area look flat and silk. And next, I'm going to spray this heat protectant spray all over the hair around the closure area and clean out the pattern to ensure that it's really straight and there's no hair that is going in the wrong direction. Next, what I'm going to do is use my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area, and I'm also going to sort of extend it to the other parts of the hair that is going beyond just the closure area to sort of flatten out the hair to the point where the hair meets the hair on the closure area sort of meets the curls. That's the bouncy curls on the lower part of the wig. So you're gonna watch and see how I sort of flatten the hair around the closure area and sort of also smoothing out the distance between the closure area and where we get to start meeting that beautiful bouncy voluminous curls that we have at the bottom part. So what we are doing is just smoothing out this area here that looks slightly rough on the up part to make this wig look more glamorous, classy, beautiful, rich, elegant. Because truly, the styling of every hair, of any hair, the beauty of any hair rather, it's in how you style it. If I don't go further to do these finishing touches to this wig right here, it wouldn't look as glamorous as it should. So take note of how I comb the curls to take it back to looking, to going in a particular direction, and also how I'm styling the hair and just ensuring that the curls look as beautiful as I want it to look. So guys, we are almost done with this tutorial. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming to watch this tutorial as soon as you got the notification. And if you're someone who doesn't get notifications on when I drop new videos on my channel, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on that post notification bell. You're going to see like a bell icon close to the subscribe button. When you subscribe and click on that bell icon, you're going to know when I upload a new video to my channel. So please click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And be sure to subscribe and share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really learned something, and if you just liked how this wig turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, and live a positive life. I love you, and I wish you the very best in whatever it is that you choose to do with your life. Bye.